going on, guys? I'm AJ. This is another episode of Davis Drives. Come on. Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to talk about this beautifully restored 62 Impala. We're going to give you a quick go around of it, some cool things that we think are pretty awesome about it, and do a quick drive around, let you see how it handles, how it performs, and of course, how it sounds. Let's get right into it. To start it off, first of all, we got these beautiful, beautiful 20-inch US mags, front and back. As you can see, has the car sitting amazing, and it rides awesome. For the inside, all red interior to match the outside. Of course, we have an aftermarket stereo with Bluetooth. It's a pretty rare option to put in one of these. It's not hard to do, but it is rare. Of course, fires on a dime. She's purring like a kitten, y'all. Purring like a kitten. Of course, you know it's an Impala. Very sought after car. Small cam in it. A lot of people turn these into lowriders. This one is just a genuinely nice cruiser. Plenty of trunk space. Like I said, it's not much to say about it, honestly. It speaks for itself. I mean, just take a look at the car. I mean, it's beautiful, absolute drop dead gorgeous. But that's enough for me. I know y'all don't like to hear me talk. Let's go for a ride. All right, guys, like I said, that's enough talking about it, looking around it. Let's go for a drive. Purrs just like a kitten, like I said. All right, first thoughts, of course, awesome. Even though this car is carbureted, it fires right on the dime. You do not get that with most carbureted vehicles. This one is right there, it's instant. The shifts are smooth, the ride is smooth, the steering is rough. If I go like this, it kind of feels like your grandma's old Cadillac, it just floats. Suspension, very well tuned in. And I don't know if you guys can hear it, but in a few seconds, we're gonna see what the motor can do a little bit. Not gonna get too crazy, but we're just gonna give it a nice little blip and see what she can do, some good pulling. All right, let's see what it has a little bit once I get past this truck. This is to the floor. Not too bad for 1962, all original. Not too bad at all. Of course, it's not your, daily drivers. Of course, take your girl out, wife, girlfriend, whatever you have. Go for a nice Sunday cruise to church, take the family. It's plenty of space, as you can see. A lot of headroom, comfortable ride. The stereo works, check it out. Oh yeah. But honestly, my overall thoughts of this car is just, it's fun to drive. I'm not a big person. When I'm driving a car like this, I don't really like to hear music, even though it is nice. I just like to sit back, normally lean back, and enjoy the ride, enjoy the car, and just enjoy you know, just being out free. It's a relaxing feeling, very therapeutic, very, very therapeutic. Well guys, if you're interested in this car, you know where to find it. Davis Auto Sales on TikTok, Davis Drives on YouTube, Davis Auto Sales on Facebook, and Davis4x4.com online. If it's not this one in particular, we can find something that you may like or may want, or this one. But just check out our content, keep liking, keep subscribing. And this is again, Davis Drives, clocking out. See you later.